If you're looking for a free, easy-to-use platform that makes online teaching almost too simple, then Google Classroom might just be your new best friend, or at least your underappreciated sidekick. Before you jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe for honest insights served with a sprinkle of humor and honesty. Google Classroom is basically the bread and butter of digital education tools. Its biggest win? Simplicity. Designed for teachers and students alike, it's accessible from all devices, be it a shiny laptop, a tired old tablet, or even your neighbor's phone that you secretly borrow. Creating a new class? Drag and drop, or just fill out a quick form. Inviting students is as easy as sharing a code or email. No complicated setup needed. When it comes to managing coursework, Google Classroom's seamless integration with Google Drive, Docs, and YouTube makes it a real joy to assign tasks, share videos, and collect submissions, all in one place. The platform automatically organizes assignments into folders, tracks deadlines, and even shows who's on top of their work and who's ghosting you. Teachers can grade directly within the app and give instant feedback, turning what used to be a mountain of paper into a digital breeze. Students love the straightforward turn-in button and the ability to check their to-do list. A few report issues with notifications not always being real-time, but overall, most say the app reduces confusion around coursework and makes remote learning less of a headache. That said, it's not perfect, more of a reliable Swiss Army knife than a powerhouse LMS. Its basic features mean some educators wish for more advanced analytics or engaging tools like peer reviews. Some report that notifications can get lost in the digital ether, and a few complain about the limited customization options, which makes classrooms look a bit cookie-cutter. Overall, Google Classroom scores high for accessibility, ease of use, and integration, making it a go-to for schools and tutors who want a straightforward, reliable platform at no cost. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done without giving you a headache or draining your budget. Thanks for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for more real, relatable reviews that help you navigate the tech world smarter, not harder.